Hi, another Asian beauty recipe for you. Turmeric has been used in Asia for thousands of years as a traditional alternative medicine, spice, even coloring and cosmetics. Just add honey. This is a face mask for every skin conditions. Honey is full of antioxidants and boosts collagen product. Mix it well and it's ready to be used. Turmeric contains bioactive compound with powerful medicinal properties. Also called as the golden spice. If you want to brighten your skin or a glowing skin, this is a good time for adding a plain Greek yogurt to the mixture. It has a toning benefits, moisturize your skin, also increase elasticity on the skin. Overall, it's improving your skin appearance. This is a great option too if you have a dry skin. Moving on to the third recipe, this one suitable for oily skin. Adding half tablespoon of lemon juice. Due to its high pH levels, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. The acid also have the ability to naturally lighten your skin and acne scars. Now adding in an aloe vera to the mixture. It is a known fact that aloe is highly beneficial not just for burns but lighten blemishes on the face. Just blend them in and this mixture is ready to treat your oily face. The anti-inflammatory properties both in turmeric and aloe can help shrink your pores and calm the skin. On our fourth mask recipe, this helps you combat acne-prone skin. Adding honey to the previous mixture makes a great treatment for acne, which helps to reduce infection and acne, while the lemon juice calms and tightens your pores. This mixture is super beneficial for acne skin, and it's all natural. Now it's time to try it on. I use the yogurt and turmeric mixture because my skin is so dry. So I reach for a hydrating mask. I always in love with a mask that has a yogurt because it feels smooth on the skin and also lock in the moisture and protect my skin from drying out. The turmeric also helps to detoxify my skin. I hope this video helps you to treat your skin naturally. See you on my next video. Bye!